So now I'm going to show you guys how to speed up a video. I know a lot of people want to know how to speed up a video, so here we go. So as you can see, I've added this capture, which is 11 seconds about. So I'm going to play it for you.
This is Miss Dina Diva, and I have a special announcement. Special announcement. Special announcement.
Okay, so that's the clip we are going to speed up. So what you do is you right click on the clip, you click on effects, and you can do things like a 3D ripple, decrease brightness, increase brightness, fade in from black and white, pixelate, posterize, rotate, and here is speed up. It is down here. So you click on speed up double, you then add it, you click OK, and as you can see, the clip already looks shorter. So you can go to storyboard view to make sure your effect has been added. We know that the effect is added because we see a star here, which is the effect. So going back to timeline, and you're going to see how it sped up the clip. So I'm going to hit play. Make sure your green ticker mark is right here because this is where it's going to start playing. So here we go.
This is Miss Dina Diva, and I have a special announcement. Special announcement. Special announcement.
So that was how to speed up a video. Now I'm going to use this second clip, which is for my concerts video. I'm going to hit play.
So, if you haven't guessed it by looking at the images.
Okay, and I'm going to, this is about 6 minutes long. I am going to add another effect, which is slowing down a video. So click half, and look how it slows it down.
So, if you haven't guessed it by looking at the images.
So as you can see, it has slowed it down. So that's how you do that. Okay, so now I am doing it full screen so that you guys can see it full screen. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the effects that I have put on so that I can show you guys again how to do that. To remove it, you click on it and hit remove. Right click, go to effects, hit remove, and everything is
This is Miss Dina Diva, and I have
the same normal speed. Now, to speed up a video, you right click on the clip, you go to effects, you go down to available effects, and you select speed up double. Click add, okay, and it will speed it up. I'm gonna actually speed up both clips, this clip as well, and go to speed up double, add, okay. So here we go, I'm playing it now.
This is Miss Dina Diva, and I have a special announcement. Special announcement. Special announcement. So, if you haven't guessed it by looking at the images, the theme is the elements.
So if you want to even double it even more, see, it's taken this clip and it was 6 minutes and it made it 3 minutes and 33 seconds. So if I wanted to make it even shorter, I would right click on effects again and I would add speed up again, and now it's 1 minute and 54 seconds. So here we go.
So, if you haven't guessed it by looking at the images, the theme is elements. So, what I want you guys to do is create a look inspired by wind, air, or water. And of course, you have to have.
So basically what it did was speed it up twice. So that is how you speed up a video, and hopefully that helped. So I've gone ahead and removed the videos and just left 2 pictures because I want to show you guys how to publish your video when you're done. So when you're done importing all of your video, they will be here on the timeline, and you can shorten things like this, make it shorter. You just shorten it or make it longer by clicking on on it and moving it, dragging it right to make it longer and dragging it left to trim the clip. And then what you do is you can click on storyboard. As I told you earlier, this determines the order of your video. You can add a video here in a picture or vice versa, however you want to do it. You can also narrate the timeline, as I said, but since for the sake of the video, we're going to just have this picture and this picture. So when you have that, you click on publish movie, which is at the top up here. I think you can also go to file and publish movie. Okay, and it says where do you want to publish your movie, and I usually click this computer and you click next, and I usually go to videos and I'm going to name it test, and then I click next again, and you can click best quality, but I usually go to more settings, and then I click on Windows Media HD 720p because I want y'all to see it in high definition. And then it tells you how much space is required and how much is left. It tells you the settings, and then you click publish and it will publish, and it tells us that we have 15 seconds remaining. So we'll just sit here and wait for a second while it does that. And while I'm talking, I just want to let you guys know that if I need to make anything clearer, just let me know and I will add a part 2 to this video. So it says your movie has been published, and I usually play it just to see if it looks like how I want it. So click finish and it pops up. The video is going to pop up. And so here it is right here. Here's part of it. And then you have the picture. And that's pretty much how that goes. And then you can also go to tools and titles and credits, and you can go ahead and make title pages. So you click title at the beginning, you can say hi, you can and it displays right here on the right, and then you can change the title animation and do different things. See, different things you can do. And then you can click add title and it'll add it. You can move it around. Okay. In this part, we're going to talk about transitions and credits. So I've added this video from before in these images. There are 3 of them. Sure you recognize them. And we're going to add a transition between these 2 images and a transition between these 2 images. So to do that, we will go to transitions, which is on the left side. It's a green and white effect, or you can go to transitions up here. So we're going to try to make it noticeable. So we're going to add a rectangle transition between these 2 images, and then we're going to add a shadow right between these 2. And I'm going to play them right now so that you can see. Here we go. So here's a rectangle, and here's shadow right. So that's how you add transitions. Transitions are different from effects. Please note that. This will be an effect. You right click like I said before, click on effects, and then you can do, let's see what we can do. Let's do spin 360, add that as an effect. Click OK. So we're going to click on that and it should spin 360 degrees. See, it rotates and then shatters. Now we're going to add a credit to the end of this movie. So to do that, we click on tools on the toolbar, titles and credits, credits at the end, type what you want. Thanks for watching. You can put your channel name. Just going to call it ABC for now, and this all shows up on the right side. Then we can change the animation to different things. As you can see, I changed that one to exploding, and before I started, I changed the background to black and the text color to red, but you can always change that. Like I can make this purple, as you can see. You can change the credit options. I'm going to change it to video top, what I usually use. It says thanks for watching. Then the credits come up on the right, but you have the option of making it left justified, where the text appears on the left side, centered. See how it comes up in the center? Or you can make it right justified. See that? You can also make it not bold. I had it bolded. You can underline things. You can change the transparency. I'm going to change the transparency to like 72. You can barely see it because of the transparency. Okay. Also, let me see what else you can do. Oh, you can change the font to whatever you want to change it to. I'm going to change it to Tennessee Heavy and change the font color so you guys can see better. So I made it white and I changed the font color so you guys can see. You can also increase. I'm going to increase the font size so you can see how much bigger it looks now. or you can make it as small as you like. See how much smaller it is? Then you can click add title. So the credit adds itself to the end of the movie, and let's go ahead and play that. Alright, so here's the movie we made. Here's the spin effect, and there's a shatter, and then you'll see the credits, and then here are the credits. And that's how you do credits, transitions, and effects mixed with transitions. And I hope this answered all of your questions. If not, let me know and I will make another part to this video. But I hope this helped you, Keisha, Dark and Lovely, and all my subbies who have questions. Thank you guys.